Good morning, cruel world. Pawpaw, Sammy, and Ellybug here. My world is returning to normal. The snow is melting. My neighbor's dog run over for a morning treat. Every morning I give her a treat, and for the last 4 days she has not been over here. I kind of miss her. Hey girl, what you been doing? You didn't come see me yesterday. I miss you, okay? I miss you. You have to be good. She's looking at the neighborhood, checking things out. Like I said, all the snow's about melted. My bees are happy, my worms are happy, I'm happy. It's nice to see a good warm day. I'm walking out here without a coat, just looking around, enjoying it. Boy, look how bright that sun is. It's a beautiful day. Not a cloud, no worse. So, I reckon, check on my cabbage one more time. It looked like it might survive yesterday, but most of the snow was melted in the ice. Oh yeah, I can unplug my cord to my bees. Let them get back to real nature. Now, get this laid out. Okay, give him a quick check. Turn that heat off of him. Let that sunshine take over. I gotta tell you what, that's the ugliest insulation job I have ever done. But people, it's efficient. Yep, they warming up. They warming up. Boy, that freeze knocked down some of my flowers. I have to get out here and cut that down, compost it. It sure did. Messed them up good. Whoa. It looked like I got a bad board on this fence. Oh well, be taken care of. All right, going to see my cabbage. If my cabbage made it, I'm happy. Everything else looked pretty good. My asparagus went down, but I got a touch from one of my people up north. I said, don't worry about it, it'll come back. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. It don't look that bad though, it really don't. Other than that, like I said, most everything else is looking pretty good. Whoop, I still got some snow, but it's going fast. I like it without the snow, people. I like it out here in a t-shirt.